In this tutorial, let's take a look at how you can set up the Surfshark app on your Mac. Begin by opening the App Store on your computer. Click on the search bar and look for Surfshark. Afterwards, click on the Surfshark icon. To download the app, click the Get button. Then click Install. Once the download is complete, tap Open. When you open the app for the first time, a message will appear clarifying that Surfshark will never monitor or log your online activities. Click Agree and Continue. If you're a new user, click Create Account and start a free 7-day trial. Otherwise, if you're an existing user, click Log In. You will now be prompted to enter your registered email address and password. Afterwards, click Log In. Welcome to Surfshark VPN. If you want the app to quick connect you to the fastest server available, click Connect. When connecting the first time, Surfshark will need to add VPN configurations to your device. This is necessary for the app to create and maintain VPN connections. Click on the Add VPN Configuration button, then choose Allow. If your connection is successful, you should see the Connected status. To disconnect, click the Disconnect button. You can switch your default Quick Connect server from the fastest to the nearest one. Click on this icon and choose the fastest server or the nearest country. Then, click on this icon to change the app layout. You'll find the list of Surfshark locations on the left side of your Surfshark app. Use the search bar or simply scroll down until you find the location you need. Click on the flag icon and the app will instantly connect to that location. The bubble icon indicates how many people are connected to servers in a specific location. If you want Surfshark to remember your favorite locations, press the star on the right side. Now this server will appear in the list of your favorite servers. If you wish to get the same IP address every time, use the Static IP function. Click Static and choose a server with a static IP address. Surfshark's MultiHop feature allows you to connect via 2 different VPN servers and add an extra layer of security. Select MultiHop and then choose a server pair you would like to connect to. There are a few other things you might want to know about Surfshark app. Go to the Settings page of your Surfshark app. The first tab is for General Settings. Kill Switch is a feature that reconnects you and maintains the VPN connection in case of any disruptions. We recommend leaving this feature turned on. Check Open at Login if you wish the Surfshark app to launch once you log into your Mac. If you would like the app to automatically minimize to the dock on start, check this box. If you want the app to automatically connect to your preferred location, click Connect on Open and choose a location from the list. Now, every time you launch the Surfshark app, you will be automatically connected to your chosen server. User Switch will maintain the VPN connection even if your Mac user switches. Finally, you can choose what your app should do on quit when the VPN connection is turned on. Should it disconnect from the VPN and close, or keep the VPN connection? Open the Networks tab. Here you can choose what your Surfshark app will do when connected to specific Wi-Fi networks. Head over to the Features tab. Here you can find our Clean Web tool, which will block ads on your browser. HackLock will send you real-time alerts when your emails and passwords are at risk of being hacked. Blind Search is a zero-ad, zero-tracker private browsing tool that will show purely organic and relevant results. Open the Account tab. Here you can change your password, unsubscribe from Surfshark's newsletter, or extend your subscription. Finally, open the Advanced tab. Here you can pick a VPN protocol. You can choose from IKEv2, OpenVPN UDP, and OpenVPN TCP. If you wish to help the Surfshark team make the app faster and more reliable, toggle the Analytics button. This will collect anonymous crash data. Congrats! You have now successfully set up Surfshark VPN on your Mac. If you have any questions, Surfshark VPN support is available 24/7 over live chat or email. Don't forget that you can install Surfshark VPN on all of your devices. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check this playlist to learn more about Surfshark.